Most people don't realize that the salt they're using every day could be harming their health. You've probably heard that salt raises blood pressure or causes bloating, but the truth is, it all depends on the type of salt you're consuming. I'm Dr. Cody Goldman with the Fast 40 Weight Loss Health Company, and this is my daughter Lily. Say hi.
Hi.
So today, we're diving deep into why Baja Gold is the best salt for health and cooking. Now, we'll cover the science behind it, how it compares to table salt and even Himalayan salt, and why it is an essential upgrade for your body's hydration, digestion, and even stress management. Now, this is something your doctor probably won't tell you because they don't know about it, but trust me, it can make a huge difference in your health and your family's health. Most table salt is nothing more than sodium and chloride, right? It's stripped of all its natural minerals and it's loaded with additives like anti-caking agents and even sugar. Really, because it lacks the essential minerals, it throws off your body's natural balance, leading to dehydration, inflammation, and even increased stress in your heart. Even Himalayan salt, while a better option, it's not perfect. Now, studies have found that it contains trace amounts of heavy metals like lead, which isn't exactly something you want to be consuming daily. So what's the best salt, Lily?
Baja Gold.
Baja Gold is an unrefined, solar-dried sea salt sourced from an ancient sea basin in Baja California. Now, I'll put a link to it in the description below, but unlike processed salts, Baja Gold retains over 90 essential minerals and trace elements, things like magnesium, potassium, calcium, and naturally occurring iodine. And that's important because your body isn't just craving salt, it's craving electrolytes and trace minerals, right? These are essential for nerve function, muscle contractions, hydration, and even hormone balance. Minerals play a critical role in nearly every function in the body. Magnesium is involved in over 300 biochemical reactions. Muscle and nerve function, blood sugar levels, and energy production. Without enough magnesium, you can experience muscle cramps, fatigue, anxiety, and poor sleep. Now, potassium helps balance fluids, prevents muscle cramps, and regulates your heart rhythm, while calcium is crucial for bone health, nerve signaling, and even proper blood clotting. Now, iodine is especially important for thyroid health, as it supports the production of hormones that regulate metabolism, energy levels, and your brain function. But here's where it gets interesting. Research shows that when salt retains its natural mineral content, it actually helps regulate blood pressure, not raise your blood pressure. A 2017 study published in the American Journal of Hypertension found that unrefined sea salt helps with trace minerals. It helps with improved blood sugar regulation compared to processed table salt. Another study in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition showed that magnesium-rich salts can help reduce inflammation, support muscle recovery, and even improve your sleep. A 2014 study in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition highlighted the importance of sodium and potassium balanced in adrenal function, showing that the right kind of salt actually can help regulate stress and energy levels. Now, most doctors tell their patients to cut back on salt without addressing the bigger issue. The quality of salt matters more than the quantity of salt. So Baja Gold is loaded with magnesium, chloride, potassium, which helps support, as we said, digestion by improving stomach acid productions, regulates stress hormones by balancing adrenal function, and hydrates your body properly so your cells absorb water instead of just flushing it out. The problem isn't that people eat too much salt, it's that they're eating the wrong kind of salt. If you love cooking, which Lily does, this isn't just about health, it's about flavor too. It tastes good, doesn't it?
Yummy.
Because it's sun-dried and unprocessed, Baja Gold has a smooth, clean taste that enhances your food instead of overpowering it. Seriously, try it. Plus, the natural minerals in it actually help bring out the depth of richness of whatever you're making. So if you've been using regular table salt or even Himalayan salt, it might be time for an upgrade. You see, your body was designed to thrive with real, unprocessed nutrients, and that includes your salt. So try Baja Gold for yourself and see if you notice a difference. I put a link in the description below if you want to order that. And if you want more science-based back strategies on how to create a healthy, fat-burning body at any age, visit fast40weightloss.com. Say bye, Lily.
Bye.
See you in the next video.